The leadership tussle between a Nigerian church, the Assemblies of God, Nigeria, and a former leader of the church, Reverend Paul Emeka, seems far from being over. Even though the Supreme Court in Nigeria has ruled in favor of the church, asking the leader to step down, he has failed to do so. Speaking at a press conference in Lagos, one of the legal advisors to the church, Onyekachi Ubani, has called on the police force to enforce the court's judgment in the lawsuit.
We would have taken possession of all our properties in his custody, all this while, but for the intervention of the Nigerian Police Authority, who advised the church to allow the Supreme Court to deliver its judgment on this issue. Now that the judgment has been delivered, dismissing the appeal of Reverend Paul Emeka, what appellate option is the police waiting for? We refuse to think that the Nigerian police is protecting a dismissed church member and a leader while leaving the church unprotected. We do not understand why the police locked up our secretary, leaving the church to squat in a residential house, hotel, and school. We do not know how long the police will keep this going. We do not know the rationale for police ambivalence in the face of the dismissal of Reverend Paul Emeka's suit by the Supreme Court. For the record, Reverend Paul Emeka is no longer a member of the Assemblies of God Nigeria. He is no longer a pastor in the church. He is no longer a leader of the church. He is no longer a trustee of the church, having been duly removed, and the current certificate from the Corporate Affairs Commission reflecting all this I have just said. Despite this above, Reverend Paul Emeka still operates an account with the banks in the name of the church and collects money due to the church every day. If this is not fraud, then we have to invent a new definition for that term.